Hey, what's up? Welcome to Geekbuying's channel. Today we are going to unbox the newly released Xiaomi gaming phone, the Blackshark 3 is. In the box, without surprise, the first layer are those paperwork and a case. Then is the phone. 65-watt fast charger and the Type-C cable. Now to the phone. For all the specs, I will just type it on the screen, you can check all that out. For the most part, the Blackshark 3 is the same device as its predecessor. It's powered by the same Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chip, packed in 12 gigs of LPDDR5 RAM, and up to 512 gigs of UFS 3.1 storage. It offers the same camera setup, with a 64-megapixel primary camera, a 13-megapixel wide-angle camera, and a 5-megapixel depth sensor on the back, along with the 20-megapixel selfie camera over on the front. The device packs in the same 4720 mAh battery with support for 65-watt fast wired charging via USB Type-C. It still features a 3.5mm headphone jack. And it also includes a secondary magnetic charging port, which is capable of charging the device at 18 watts. In terms of improvements, the Blackshark 3 is packs in a 6.67-inch FHD plus 120Hz high refresh rate display, instead of the 90Hz display found on the previous model. And it runs the company's latest Android skin Xiaomi 12. Thanks to the new software, Xiaomi has managed to include several new features on the Blackshark 3 including screen pressure 4.0 for 3D touch controls, voice control 2.0 to help users adjust settings using voice commands while in-game, and something called somatosensory control that offers 6 built-in somatosensory actions. After several gaming tests, we found they are very impressive, though we also found some bugs. Considering that this is a prototype, we are pretty happy with it. Additionally, Xiaomi 12 brings features like Game Barrage to control notifications while playing games, Game Macro to help users set up macro commands in games, Hunting Mode to enhance vegetation and ground contrast in games, and Blackshark Moment 3.0 for game recording and editing. Xiaomi 12 also enables screencasting support on the Blackshark 3 which will let users cast their device's screen on a larger display with a delay of just 40 ms. Along with the Blackshark 3 Xiaomi has also announced a couple of new gaming accessories. These include the Blackshark Gimme Pad 3, Blackshark Gaming Finger Gloves, though it looks like a condom, and an attachment that adds physical shoulder keys to the device. Alright, that's the video. For the price and availability, please check out the link in the description. See you soon.